In today's video, we're gonna be making a Ceaser Cipher. So Ceaser Cipher means like encoding and decoding, like that. So let's start with these. I'll link these alphabets and then this logo in the description, so don't worry, we'll use these later. We'll use this now. So let's say like this, count alphabets equals to len. We'll say alphabets. We'll count those alphabets. Then let's say like logo equals to the logo. And then let's say we will print this logo. So let's print this logo. Then let's say end of game equals to false. This is not the end of game. Let's say while not end of game. If it's not end of game, then we will say direction equals to input type encode to encrypt. Let's say encrypt, and then type decode to type. Let's say if you use these double quotes over here, you can use these, but if you use like this, you use single quote, then it won't work. So let's just say, let's use double quotes in here. Then let's say to decrypt, like that. So we'll skip a line for them to write. Let's skip a line for them. Then let's say text extend equals to a list. Then text equals to input type your message. Let's say like this. They could type their message over here. Type your message. Then we will skip the line for them to write their message. Then we should skip a line over here. Then let's say text extend dot extend. Then let's say we'll extend the text over here. Don't use a pen over here, or else it will. If you write a line like that, extend means like if it's text over here, it will list like this, like that. If it's a pen, then it will be like this. So make sure it's not pen, it's extend. Then let's say we'll say shift equals to it will be an integer, and then let's input type the shift number. They will type a shift number, and then let's say if direction equals to decode. If it's decode, then we'll say plus elif direction equals to encode. Then let's pass to, or else let's say print error, let's say error, and then new type and invalid letter. We'll break it. Let's break it. Then let's say def Ceaser. Let's create a new function called def Ceaser. It'll be Ceaser start text and then shift amount, and then also Cipher direction, like that. Then let's say and text equals to a list, and then if Ceaser Cipher direction equals to encode, then let's say if it's decode, then let's say shift amount multiply equals by -1, and then if the cipher direction equals to encode, then the shift amount will be multiplied by 1. Then we will create a loop for a letter in start text. Let's say like this. If letter in start text, then we'll say if letter in alphabets, if the letter is in alphabets, then let's say position equals to alphabets dot indexed, let's say letter. Then we'll say new position equals to position plus shift amount, not alphabet, sorry, amount. Let's say like this. And text plus equals to alphabets. Sorry about this. New position, like this. Then let's print out the cipher direction is text is, let's say, dot join. We'll join the add text, let's say this. We'll print it. Then let's say shift equals to shift equals to shift, let's say percentage, count alphabets, Ceaser, we're using right now, start text equals to the text. You can also write like this without that, but to be clear, let's write like this. Let's say shift amount equals to the shift. Then let's say Cipher direction will be the direction. this. Then let's say and of the cipher equals to input type yes or type yes if you want to do it again, otherwise type no. Let's say like this. Okay, then if it's done, let's say if n of the cipher equals to yes. If it's yes, then we'll pass. So it will just continue. We would skip a line to be clear. So let's print nothing. Elif n of the cipher equals to no. Then let's set the, that's why no, n, not n of the cipher. N of game equals to true. But we can also write break to be short. But you can write as you like. If you want to write end of game equals to false, then that's okay too, it will stop. Else, then let's just break it like this. Yeah, that's done. So let's see if it works. Let's say encode. Let's type a message called hello JJJ. Type the shift number, so let's say 2. What's wrong? In line 57. So what's wrong over here is that what's wrong over here? Let's see if it's, let's run this again. Let's only say encode and then let's say F, type the shift number 2. Yeah, to do it again. Yes. Decode, let's say decode. Type your message Ace. See that it worked? So let's say yes. But if we type this, then sorry about that. 3. So if we type encode and then let's say OB like that, the shift number will be 2. Then there will be an error, so don't type like space. Oh, sorry. I need to rerun this. Let's say encode and then type space and then shift number to 2. It's nothing. Let's say decode. Oops, sorry. Don't write space 2 like that. Okay. let's see if it works. If you want to like encrypt your text and then send it to another one, and then they will type over here. Let's say you type hello friend, let's say like this, type the shift number 2. Let's copy this, and then let's say yes. Then let's say decode, type your message over here, type the shift number 2. Hello friend. See, it worked. But if I say no, oh sorry, it must be true. Okay. Sorry about this. Let's rerun this. Let's say encode. This will be speedrun 2. Wait. Encode. I think there's no 2, that's why. Yeah, there's no 2. Let's rerun this. Encode. Type your message, E, then shift number, then G. Say no, it finished. How about if we say with break? It could work too. You try it if you want to. But I'm gonna stop now. It worked, you see that? Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoy. If you have any ideas to add, write in the comment below. Bye.